What vegans eat in different parts of the world. Come with us around the world as we take a look at what vegans eat across the continents. Welcome to the Fast Vegan. Let's dive in. 1. North America. In North America, vegans enjoy a variety of plant-based foods such as veggie burgers, tofu scrambles, and avocado toast. Popular dishes include smoothie bowls with fresh fruits and nuts, Mexican-inspired burritos and tacos with beans, rice, and guacamole, hearty salads with quinoa, kale, and roasted vegetables. Be sure to like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. 2. Europe. European vegans have access to a wide range of plant-based dishes. Some popular options include Mediterranean dishes like hummus, tabbouleh, and falafel, Italian pasta dishes with tomato or vegetable-based sauces, French ratatouille with a variety of vegetables. 3. Asia. Asian cuisine is known for its diverse and flavorful plant-based dishes. Vegans in Asia enjoy Indian curries and dals with rice or roti, fat vegetable stir-fries with tofu and fragrant herbs, Japanese sushi rolls with avocado, cucumber, and pickled vegetables. 4. South America. South American cuisine offers a rich selection of plant-based dishes, such as Brazilian feijoada, a bean stew with vegetables and spices, Argentinian empanadas filled with spinach, corn, or other vegetables, Peruvian quinoa salads with avocado and fresh herbs. 5. Africa. African cuisine is known for its bold flavors and plant-based options. Vegans in Africa enjoy Ethiopian injera with a variety of vegetable-based stews, Moroccan tagines with vegetables, chickpeas, and fragrant spices, West African peanut stew with sweet potatoes and kale. As you can see, vegans around the world have access to diverse and delicious plant-based dishes that reflect their local cultures and ingredients. For more information on vegan diets and recipes, visit thefastveganbrand.com.